Right, okay, so I have a Evora 400 on one side, and I have a Cayman GT4 on the other side, and we're now going to test which is loudest, or sounds best, depending on preferences. Now, for sounds best, you got to make your own mind up. Loudness, I have brought a scientific instrument. I have a decibel meter being here, so we're going to rev each car, see how loud they are. Okay, Cayman, do your best. 94.1 dBA. Laurie, do me proud. Thank you. The Lotus peaked at 107. Lotus wins. Thanks for watching.